the Super Memory for Schools program. My name is Trang Kiet Yin. I'm very happy to be with you in this geography lesson of grade 5. The content of Geography Grade 5 consists of 2 parts. Part 1, we'll learn about Vietnam geography in the first semester. Part 2, we'll learn about world geography in the second semester. In the first lesson, we'll learn about Vietnam, our country. There are 4 sections. The first section is about geographical location. The second section is about the boundaries. The third section is about the shape of Vietnam, and the fourth section is about its area. Let's start our lesson. First of all, we'll learn about the geographical location of Vietnam. Vietnam is located on the Indochina Peninsula in the Southeast Asia. Speaking of the Indochina Peninsula, people usually think of 3 countries, which are Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Our country consists of the land, the sea, the islands, and the archipelagos. Let's look at the map. I believe that you can easily identify the location of Vietnam on the map. So, which islands and archipelagos does our country have? Let's have a look. Vietnam has some islands such as Cat Ba Island, Bac Lom Vi Island, Phu Quoc Island, and some archipelagos like Hoang Sa and Truong Sa archipelagos. These are images of some islands in our country. Cat Ba Island, Bac Lom Vi Island, Phu Quoc Island, Hoang Sa Archipelagos, and Truong Sa Archipelagos. Keep in mind that Hoang Sa Archipelagos and Truong Sa Archipelagos belong to Vietnam. Do you know that Vietnam is a part of Asia, and its sea is connected with the ocean? The geographical location helps us connect with other countries easily. We can connect with other countries all over the world or with some countries in the near area such as China, Laos, and Cambodia by roads. We can also connect with the countries in Asia-Pacific area by sea lanes. Moreover, we can connect with some other big countries around the world which are far away by air. So, as for the location, it helps Vietnam connect with other countries easily. Let's move on to the boundaries of our country. Vietnam is bordered by China to the north, by Laos and Cambodia to the west, and by the East Sea to the east, south, and southwest. So, what is the shape of our country? Let's learn about it together. Look at the map again and tell me what the length from the north to the south is. From the north to the south, it is 1,650 kilometers long. So, where does this length start from and end at? This length starts from Lung Cú in Ha Giang province and ends at Cà Mau province. This is Lung Cú, with a milestone that marks the most northern point of our country. It is considered also the roof of our country. On the right is Cà Mau province, with the symbol of a ship, which is very familiar to tourists. This is the most southern point of our country. Let's go back to the map. From the west to the east, the land in the middle of Vietnam is very narrow. So, where is the narrowest place and how narrow is it? The narrowest place is Dang Hoi, which is nearly 50 kilometers wide. We've just learned about the shape of Vietnam. Next, let's learn about its area. Vietnam's area is approximately 330,000 square kilometers. Note that this is the area of the land only. Compared to other countries in the world, our country's area is bigger than Laos, Cambodia, and smaller than some countries such as China, Japan, etc. However, Vietnam's sea area is much bigger than its land area, and its sea belongs to the East Sea. You've just learned about the geographical location, the boundaries, the shape, and the area of Vietnam. So, after this lesson, you need to remember that Vietnam is located on the Indochina Peninsula in Southeast Asia. Vietnam consists of the land which has an S-shaped coastline. Its sea belongs to the East Sea with lots of islands and archipelagos. If you have a chance, come and visit the place that I've just introduced. I believe that you will be able to see the beauty of our country. That's the end of our lesson. I hope that, with what you've learned along with this sketch note, you will learn fast and remember the knowledge well. Goodbye and see you again in the next lessons of the Super Memory for Schools program.